Guys, this is the last spark plug going in. Here's all the 6 out. They are just beautimous, nasty looking. Loving them. So make sure, and I'm gonna repeat myself on this short extension. Loving it. This is the tool. And if you don't have one of these, grab one of those. Make sure you grab a ratchet that has a locking push button so it doesn't come off. Just makes things easier when you're trying to pull spark plugs out, because the ratchet will fall off if you don't have a locking ratchet with a 5/8. And then again, as your no rubber on the inside, always grab 2. Rubber, no rubber. Rubber to take out, no rubber to put in. Alright, let's go put this last spark plug in so we can move on to the distributor cap and rotor, which I'm sure is going to be fun. So grab a stool. You got to go to the back side of the engine here. There's little heat in the back here, which you can't see. Little heat vents for the spark plug to get it in there. Slides right in. Just give her tighten her down. If you have ever replaced spark plugs, you know. So on the other side I stopped because I didn't want, we had a break there. I didn't want to have this video take forever to get in there. So I'll just kind of show you real quick with the light, if you can kind of see where the socket is right there inside that metal. And then the other 2 are right here in the metal. So they're already done. I'm going to tighten this last one up, get this plug on. I'll get that air box in, get that cover off the throttle body, and we'll go for the distributor cap. So let me get this tight here.